Hi guys, welcome back to Vina Freak, your number one go-to on all things African. And today we're going to be doing vintage African hairstyles where I teach you how to do particular hairstyles that are particular to Africa, right? And today we're going to be doing Didi Elegbe. That's Yoruba for like side Didi. Didi that is slanting to the side. That's what it means basically. So you know that nice Didi that will have like this kind of brush and it's smooth to the side. That's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to be taking you on a step-by-step on how to do it. So of course you have to like divide your hair first. Make it big portions, right? Because that's the beauty of the brush. So when you do your big portion and it's like thin to fat, if you get what I mean, like especially if you're doing all back. So you start with a thin portion and then you go back, and then you start to pick your hair, like you pick your 3 strands of hair, and then you start to push it to the side. You push it to this, like how do I explain this thing now? You alternate it and push it to the side. I've gone slow motion for you now so that you can see. Yes, I have an assistant today. Yes, baby. I have an assistant today on today's recording, so you guys would be hearing from my assistant a lot. So you take I know you know how to do the basic Didi. I already have a video on how to do the basic Didi. So if you really want to understand how to do this hairstyle, I will advise you to go and watch the Didi video, how to do Didi, so that you understand what I mean by, instead of just, making your Didi in the center, you are pushing everything to the side. You are doing one huge brush and pushing everything to the side and making sure that it forms on the side. So you're alternating your 3-strand braid. As you can see, I've made the video really, really slow so that we can see what we're doing. You're alternating your 3-strand braid in the Didi manner. That's on top. You're taking it over and over and over. Right over the left over the right. The middle goes to the back. Right over the left over the right. The middle goes to the back. That's the pattern that we're doing. So I'm really strongly advising you, if you don't know how to do Didi already, go and watch the how to make Didi video, then come back to this video so that you understand the concept of what the Didi Elegbe is. So make sure that your brush that you're packing is neat. As you can see, we're pushing away straight strands, right? So and make sure you're always detangling the hair as you go along so that the person's hair does not knot. You do not want to have a knot in your hair, right? So I've gone to another angle now, so you can see clearly. So this is what it looks like from the other angle, right? Can you see? I hope you can see. I try different angles so that if anybody comes to meet me and says, "Oh, we didn't see it here," you will see it from the other angle. So this is us trying to portion out another braid. Remember, it's not all back I'm teaching you. I'm just teaching you how to do the Didi Elegbe braid. That's why, I skipped all the parts where I was portioning the hair. It's just the fat portion you need. That's all you need. I'm not teaching you how to do the all back. I'm teaching you how to do the Didi Elegbe. So that's what you do. You pick it up and you go. Shall I give you some gist, guys? Hey, did I tell you before about how they almost used me for human trafficking one time? I say I'm going for beauty contest too, that I want to go and represent Miss Oyo. God, things have happened to me in my youth. I said, I'm going to go and do Miss Oyo in one beauty contest and something. They say now Miss Africa, Nigeria, something. I can't even remember the name of the competition. That's how they carried me from Lagos to Calabar inside bus with no plans to actually do anything. The guy where they run this package still they hustle for money. In fact, the guys, I don't think this place is long enough for this hot gist that I have for you. Let me just find another video to give you this full gist, this full premium gist about how, hey God, God has been saving me from a long time ago. Imagine, teenage girl, maybe 17, 18, they carry me from Lagos to Calabar, say they want us to do beauty pageants. Lagos Calabar. If you see the way they were treating us like you people were eating 1 meal a day cooked by us. We're now locked inside this, we could not move any. You people, ask me for the gist in my next video. If I don't give you this gist in my next video, come and fight me. But first, learn how to do this hair first. Let's focus. Let's remain focused. You people, this is the sweet though. Oh man, I wasted my talent, wasted my time. Even fought people for my destiny, because entertainment has always been my destiny. So I was just like, this is a pathway to my gosh, my goodness. Guys, it's okay. Let's focus on the hair that we're making. So remember to be detangling your hair and be pushing the hair to the side as you are going along. So yeah, that's basically it. So I made some parts slow so that we can understand it better. So I'm just going to leave it to play out. Enjoy your amazing theme music and booyah. guys, that's how to do Didi Elegbe. I'm so glad that you stayed to the end, that you watched the video. Please subscribe to this channel. It's a channel for all things African. We have how to do local games, how to do traditional African baths for your baby. That's the palm oil bath. And for our Africans abroad who really don't have mamas there to help you do omugo, I've broken down the baby bath massage system. I've broken down the palm oil bath system for the first initial cleansing to remove all that baby goo. Also, we have African local games for you to teach your children so that they have outdoor time. Guys, outdoor. Don't you remember playing outdoors? Oh my God. Drop the tablets. Go outside with your kids and have fun, man. Broken it down here also. And then coming up will be other African stuff, how to do other African stuff. I'm sure some of you are wondering, how do I pound yam into pounded yam without a pounder machine? I'm going to teach you one day, someday soon. But yeah, please subscribe to Vina Freak, your African culture archive. Until the next video, guys, subscribe, and like the video. Goodbye.